transforming data into actionable insights. In today's data-driven world, organizations are constantly looking for ways to gain a competitive edge. Predictive analytics has emerged as a powerful tool that helps businesses harness the potential of their data to make informed decisions, optimize processes, and drive better outcomes. This article explores the concept of predictive analytics, its applications, benefits, and key considerations for implementation. What is predictive analytics? Predictive analytics is a branch of advanced analytics that leverages historical data, statistical algorithms, and machine learning techniques to identify patterns, trends, and relationships within data. By analyzing past data, predictive analytics aims to be forecast future events or outcomes with a high degree of accuracy. It goes beyond traditional descriptive analytics, which focuses on summarizing past data, to provide actionable insights about what is likely to happen next. Applications of predictive analytics. Number 1. Customer Relationship Management (CRM). Predictive analytics helps businesses understand customer behavior, preferences, and purchasing patterns. This information can be used to personalize marketing campaigns, recommend products, and improve customer retentions. Number 2. Financial forecasting. Predictive analytics is widely used in finance for risk assessment, fraud detection, and investment decisions. Banks and financial institutions used it to predict loan defaults, detect fraudulent transactions, and optimize investment portfolios. Number 3. Supply chain management. Predictive analytics can optimize supply chain operations by forecasting demand, optimizing inventory levels, and predicting equipment maintenance needs. This ensures efficient and cost-effective supply chain management. Number 4. Healthcare. In healthcare, predictive analytics can help identify at-risk patients, predict disease outbreaks, and optimize resource allocation in hospitals. It plays a crucial role in improving patient outcomes and reducing healthcare costs. Number 5. Manufacturing. Manufacturers can use predictive analytics to predict equipment failures, optimize production schedules, and improve product quality. This minimizes downtime and increases operational efficiency. Benefits of predictive analytics. Following are the benefits of predictive analytics. Number 1. Data-driven decision making. Predictive analytics empowers organizations to make data-driven decisions, reducing reliance on intuition and guesswork. Number 2. Cost reduction. By anticipating issues and optimizing process, business can reduce operational cost and resource wastage. Number 3. Improved customer engagement. Personalized marketing and product recommendations enhance customer satisfaction and loyalty. Number 4. Competitive advantages. Companies that effectively leverage predictive analytics gain a competitive edge by staying ahead of market trends and customer preferences. Key considerations for implementing predictive analytics. Number 1. Data quality. Accurate and clean data is essential for reliable predictions. Organizations should invest in data quality assurance process. Number 2. Model selection. Choosing the right predictive model and algorithm is crucial. This depends on the specific problem and dataset. Number 3. Scalability. Ensure that the predictive analytics solution can scale with growing volume of data and evolving businesses needs. Number 4. Ethical and privacy concerns. Handling sensitive customer data requires strict adherence to data privacy regulation and ethical considerations. Number 5. Continuous monitoring. Predictive models should be regularly updated and monitored to ensure they remain accurate as data and circumstances change. In conclusion, predictive analytics is a powerful tool that enables organizations to transform their data into actionable insights. By leveraging historical data and advanced analytics techniques, business can make informed decisions, optimize process, and gain a competitive advantage in today's data-driven landscape. Implementing predictive analytics requires careful planning, data quality assurance, and commitment to ongoing monitoring and improvement. Those who embrace predictive analytics tend to benefit from improved decision making, cost reduction, and enhanced customer engagement, ultimately driving businesses' success. For more beneficial videos,